these two are the same figures, then both should be the same, right? So that's why this is false. This pyramid 5 5 8 true. 5 one above, faces 5, vertices 5 and edges 8. Okay, true. Next is 8 6 and 12. This is called as octahedron because 8 faces. So this is also true. Okay. Now match the following, means match column 1 to column 2. So here everything looks the same, but how to match? It depends on the area. See here the sides are 4 4. So 4 4 is 16. This 16 and this 16. One side 16, other side 16. Check which of them has area 16 fourth. So A will match with fourth. Second, 3 3 is a 9. 9 here, 9 here. But there is also a problem over here also. D. 3 3 is a 9. Both are 9 over here. So these two will clash. But 8 3 is a 24. Okay. So 9 and 24. This match you need. 9 and 24. Because here also you have something, nothing. No. Only 24. 24 is a catch over here. 24 here, 24 there. Check which one has 24. Which area? 1. So B will match with 1. Next is 9 and 3, 27. But here is also 27. So these two will clash. So 9, 6. Check other ones. 9, 6 is 54. Is there any 54 anywhere else? No. So check which area is 51. So this. C will match with 2. So D will match with 3. Also you can check 9 3 is 27, 27, 27, many 27. So this will match with 3. Okay. Next, use Euler's formula to find the values of the blanks. Blanks means these x, y, z and k. Okay. F, V and E are given. So Euler's formula is what? F plus V equals to E plus 2. Means face plus vertices equals to edges plus 2. We have studied this in our earlier videos. Check that also. So just solve this. 6 plus x equals to 12 plus 2. So x equals to 8. 5 plus y equals to 9 plus 2. Y equals to 6. 20 plus 36 equals to k plus 2. Right? K equals to 54. 14 plus z equals to 36 plus 2. So z equals to 24. So once you know the formula, remaining things are easy. Download Yogaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you learn them by heart within 3 months. They are useful for you throughout your life for all the competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.